In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve audio quality for Google Meet with a thorough guide that will take your virtual meetings to the next level. First, let's dive into the basics by getting to Google Meet. Open your preferred browser and head over to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in to your Google account. Simply click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your Google account credentials and be sure to hit Next as you confirm each entry. Once you're in, you're ready to start making changes that will enhance your audio experience. To initiate a meeting, click on the New Meeting button. You'll have a few options here, but for our purposes today, let's go ahead and choose Start an Instant Meeting. This option will quickly get you into a Google Meet environment where you can test and adjust the audio settings we'll be discussing. One of the most crucial things you can do right off the bat is to make sure you're using the correct microphone. In Google Meet, locate the three dots in the lower right-hand corner of your screen and click on Settings. From there, navigate to the Audio section. You should see a drop-down menu where you can select your preferred microphone. Choose the one that offers the best sound for you, and as you speak, check that the green level bar is moving. This visual indicator shows that your voice is being picked up effectively. Next, enable noise cancellation while you're still in the audio settings. This feature is a fantastic way to automatically filter out unwanted background noise, ensuring your voice comes through as clearly as possible. Now, moving beyond Google Meet settings, let's talk about your physical environment. One simple but effective step is to find a quiet location for your meeting. Close any windows, doors, or fans to reduce ambient noise, and politely let others around you know that you're about to make a call. This can help minimize unexpected interruptions. Don't forget to check your system input levels. If you're using a Windows computer, you can adjust this by going to Settings, then System, and then Sound, where you'll find the input volume control for your mic. On a Mac, go to System Preferences, then Sound, and adjust the input level accordingly. Proper input level adjustment ensures your voice is not too soft or too loud, delivering a smooth audio experience for all meeting participants. Lastly, remember to mute yourself when you are not speaking. Just click the microphone icon to toggle mute on or off. This simple action reduces echo and enhances call clarity for everyone involved. By following these steps, you can experience superior audio quality in your Google Meet sessions, transforming how you communicate in virtual meetings. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips were helpful. Happy meeting!